Namaskar, I am Dr. Priyanka Sharma, plastic surgeon with HexaHealth, and today we are going to bust a few myths and know about the facts between male boobs and chest fat. So male boobs are those that is known as gynecomastia in the common medical term. It happens due to an increase in the hormone levels which stimulate the growth of the chest glands. It also happens if you are on some sort of medication for a long time or if you have taken certain hormones or steroids when you do gymming. Now, gynecomastia, if it is only on one side, that is if the male boob has increased only on one side, it is a cause of concern, specifically if it is associated with nipple discharge, redness, pain in the region, and you should immediately consult your surgeon if that is the case. Now, commonly when we refer to male boobs or gynecomastia, it means that there is an involvement of increased fat as well as increase in the size of the chest glands, which is felt as a hard, lumpy region below the region of the nipple, as compared to chest fat, which is only increase in the fat, which is also known as pseudo gynecomastia or false gynecomastia. So if you have only an increase in the amount of fat, definitely exercise can help reduce the same. But if it is a true type of a gynecomastia, only exercise will not help reduce it because the size of the glands will not be reduced. Now, if you have only chest fat, then definitely yes, dietary and exercise modifications can help to reduce the chest fat. But if you have true gynecomastia, the exercises would not help you, because the gland, once it has increased in size, will not be reduced by exercise or dietary modifications alone. Now, in cases of pseudogynecomastia or just chest fat, changes in your diet and lifestyle can help reduce it. In case that does not fully help you, undergoing a liposuction of the region will also help. But in the true sense, male boobs, that is gynecomastia, also has an increase in the size of the chest gland. Therefore, it is highly essential to reduce the size of these glands, that is by removing them through proper surgery, so that this does not happen again in the future. Now, chest fat simply by a good amount of diet and exercise can be reduced. But the true gynecomastia, that is the male boobs, cannot be, because the gland will not reduce in size. Now, certain people also try medications which are known as hormonal regulators, such as tamoxifen, which is an anti-testosterone form of medication, that it might help in reducing the male boobs. But this does not work, and therefore you have to consult your surgeon, because a proper excision, that is removal of the gland, is absolutely necessary. Now, the surgery involved has to address two issues. One is fat and the other is gland. Therefore, the surgery is done mainly under general anesthesia or IV sedation with local, and it's a daycare procedure. The fat is removed with the help of liposuction, and for the gland removal, a small incision is made in the region of the nipple, which gets hidden over a period of 2 to 3 weeks. Therefore, you have no visible scars and your healing is very fast as well. This is a very commonly done procedure and it is largely very safe, which means that the complication rate is very less. Few instances of infection, bleeding or seroma formation may occur, but that depends on your grade of gynecomastia as well and how your surgery went. Other than that, there are no high-risk complications, but you should know things such as smoking, being on blood thinners, having diabetes, or taking any other form of medications must be disclosed to your surgeon so that you have a good recovery. Other than that, the compression garment that is provided to you for the initial 4 to 6 weeks must be worn religiously so that you get a good compression in the area, which helps to reduce the swelling, reduces the chances of accumulation of fluid or blood, and helps the skin to shrink back so that you get a good shape that you desire. If you have enjoyed watching these videos, you have helped gain information and knowledge regarding any of your queries, then please like and subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends.